Dear student, today in this video we are going to learn diagonal of a polygon and how many diagonals we can construct of a given polygon. So first thing we have to know what is diagonal. A diagonal is a line segment. Diagonal is a line segment joining two vertices of a polygon. Two vertices of a polygon. When those vertices are not on the same side, so consider we have one polygon. This one polygon means a figure made of only line segment. So suppose we have this polygon and these are called vertex. This is vertex, this is vertex means corner. Here student, vertex means you know the corner, so corner, and the plural of vertex is vertices. So diagonal is a line segment joining two vertices of a polygon. So suppose I am joining these two vertex, this one and this vertex. See, this vertex and this vertex, both the vertex are not lies on the same side, means this side. Suppose you are joining these two, means these two vertex are on the same line, but when you join this vertex and this vertex, both are not on the same line segment, because this vertex lies on the this line segment and this vertex lies on the this. So this is called diagonal. So how many diagonals you can construct or you can draw in this polygon? Polygon means figure made of only line segments. So one diagonal is here and one diagonal is here in this way. So for this figure we can construct two diagonals. Suppose the name is A, B, C, D, and then diagonal is AC and BD. These two are the diagonals, AC and BD. Suppose you have one more polygon, that is pentagon. 5 sides are there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. So how many diagonals you can construct? So we can join this vertex to this vertex, then this vertex to this vertex, two diagonals. This vertex to this vertex, 3. This vertex to this vertex, 4, and this vertex to this vertex. Total 5 diagonals. In a pentagon there are 5 diagonals we can construct. 5 diagonals. You can name the diagonals also in this way. Suppose A, B, C, D and E. So we can write AC is one diagonal, AD is another diagonal, BE is one diagonal, BD is also diagonal, EC is the diagonal. Got it? EC. So in this way we have constructed 5 diagonals of this pentagon. Now one question, can you construct the diagonal in this triangle? No, because here there is no vertices which lies on a different or another side. Suppose you are taking this vertex and this vertex, means these two vertices lies on same side, so we cannot join it. Suppose you want to construct the diagonal from here to here, so you cannot construct because both the vertices lies on the same side. So in triangle we cannot draw the diagonals. In a diagonals we cannot draw. Thank you.